Here are my top 3 CrossFit training tips for beginners to kick off your journey in training CrossFit. Number 1. This one is a set of 3 rules. Active listening to your coach, asking questions, and don't be late to your sessions. So let me try to summarize all these 3 rules. The first one is active listening to your coach. Before your CrossFit session starts, your coach is gonna write the whole workout regime on the display board. So it's very important to first of all read the workout on the display board before the coach explains the workout, because the coach's job before the workout starts is to explain the workout theoretically. CrossFit, I understand the whole workout is practical, but it's important to understand the theory behind the workout, the theoretical part behind the practical workout that you're going to perform, the theory behind every movement you're doing, which part of your body is being used here, why do we perform this exercise, what does this exercise benefit, what's the benefit of this exercise, which part of the body does it enhance, how do you do this workout. The correct technique to perform this workout is very essential. So actively listening to your coach before the workout starts is very important to understand the theory behind the practical workout. And as you're doing this, it's important to ask questions. Don't delay your questions till midway through the workout, otherwise you're gonna just create chaos in the community during the workout, and you might even cause some disturbance to your own performance and others' performance. This will affect the time of the workout. So make sure you don't delay your questions, and every coach, after they finish explaining the workout, the conditioning, the strength piece, the warm-up, they will always ask you if you have any questions. Don't hesitate to ask any questions. They are there to help you and support you throughout your workout. So ask as many questions as possible before the workout so you don't interrupt in between the workout. Other than that, do not be late to your workout session, because CrossFit by definition is a HIIT, high intensity interval timed workout. You are working for a specific period of time, then you're resting for a specific period of time. In CrossFit, for those beginners who don't know, you have workouts such as AMRAPs, you have EMOMs, you have your normal time cap workout. EMOM stands for every minute on minute, where you work for 1 minute, then you rest for another minute. You have E2 moms, E3 moms, and you have your AMRAPs, which is as many rounds as possible. You have a specific time cap, and you need to finish as many rounds as possible in this specific time cap. So, as you know, CrossFit is a specifically time interval workout. You're working for a specific time, then you're resting for a specific time. So the whole CrossFit workout is time-based. This means that during the workout, you cannot exit the workout in between, otherwise you're completely out. So it's important to be late to your session. Why? Number 1, you need to understand the theory behind the workout, the explanation behind the workout. You need to do not miss the chance to ask the questions, and the warm-up. In my opinion, missing the warm-up is worse than missing the conditioning piece of your workout, because warming up your body is very essential for the CrossFit workout itself. So to summarize the first 3 rules, which is one tip in all over, is that do not be late to your CrossFit sessions, ask questions, and actively listen to your coach. This will help you overall understand the theory behind your workout. It will help you clear any doubts you have, any confusion. It will help your coach as well to find your weaknesses and help you in the next upcoming workouts, and so on and so forth. Tip number 2 is focus on yourself during the workout. Don't focus on others during the workout. Your eyes, your focus should be on yourself and the clock. Why? Because usually what I see people doing is that, look, CrossFit is a community workout, so you all are working together in CrossFit. Everybody's working together. The reason it's a community workout, or one of the major reasons it's a community workout, is because in CrossFit, the community purpose is used as a motivation source. So if you're feeling lanky or sluggish during your workout, your friend on the other side can actually help you and motivate you to keep going throughout the workout. But what I see many people do is during the workout, let's say you have a time cap of 15 minutes, and 5 minutes in the workout, your friend out there is in the 7th round, another friend is in the 6th round, and you're in the 2nd round. So what people do now, you're gonna start looking at your other friends, you're gonna lose focus of your own workout, and you're gonna be looking at them, and you're gonna be doing your workout. This way, not only are you slowing your own progress, but you're affecting your entire workout itself. It's not gonna be as effective because you're just focusing on the other person and you're not focusing on yourself. So there's no point in overall doing the workout here. You're doing the workout for yourself. The CrossFit workout is for yourself. You need to focus on yourself and the time. You need to try your best to finish this workout in the most effective way possible with the best technique, best form in the required and given time. Do not focus on somebody else. You can look at them. It's completely fine if you're, if as friends you guys are trying to build up some sort of competition between each other. All right, you guys can compete against each other. All right, like who can finish this workout first. But even if you guys are competing against each other, don't keep looking at each other. Like for example, you both are rowing. On the rowing machine, you both are rowing, and you guys are looking at each other's screens. Like how many calories is he at? All right, look at your calories. Look at how many meters have you done. Don't look at the other person. Even though it's a competition, you try to focus on yourself and try to finish it as fast as possible with the best technique possible for yourself. So in conclusion for this tip, focus on yourself and focus on the timer. It's just you and the timer. You're competing against yourself and you're competing against the timer. You're not competing against anybody else. Alright, one last tip I'd like to add is that use proper gym attire that not only are you comfortable with, but it's not going to bother you during the workout. It's preferred to use shorts so you don't start feeling hot during the workout, and they're also flexible. Usually fitness shorts are usually above the knees, and it's preferred to use tight fit clothing and shirts so it does not bother you or annoy you during your workout. For example, if you're doing a handstand or something and as you flip up your body, your shirt is so loose, it just falls upon you. So the last key takeaway as an additional tip is that try using proper clothing that you're comfortable with and it is suitable for training CrossFit to enhance your performance even more. So these were my top 3 tips that I would recommend and advise to not only all beginners starting CrossFit, but anybody who really needs these tips or needed to hear these tips for CrossFit. And I've learned these throughout my training years in CrossFit. And if you have any questions about these, please be sure to ask them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. Other than that, thanks so much if you've made it this far, and I'll see you guys in the next one.